Tiana had the idea to run around town finding spring things because we've had a difficult 2 weeks yet again. And so we didn't get a chance to film last weekend.
No.
Tiana had another busy spell. So we are going out today to literally run around like chickens trying to find
Spring chickens.
spring things. Now, I have the appropriate socks on, which we'll show you later,
Yes.
with roosters and chickens on them, in commemoration of spring, because it's actually beautiful weather. And we'll take you out in the backyard, and we'll show you our tulips. We have all our tulips coming up. That looks pretty.
Because what it actually feels like is that we're finally coming out of hibernation, and we know some parts of the country still are under snow.
Sorry.
just saw a friend of mine said they got snow recently. But it's like the sun comes out and the lesbians come out of hibernation. So where do you find them? Where do we go?
Apparently running all around Parksville, Qualicum Beach.
There you go.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing, and we'll take you with us.
Yeah.
There's baby goats and all sorts of little things.
Oh, there's
running around.
lambs out right now, and the bunnies. I saw baby bunnies yesterday, like wild bunnies or domesticated ones that have been set wild.
Yeah,
Um,
don't do that.
calves in the farms. Oh, they're so cute.
Anyway. So
Yeah.
we'll drive around
And flowers galore.
in the sun. Thank God. And it's getting warm. In fact, we might even be too hot in these jackets.
Get a little frisky in the warmth of the sun.
I'm always frisky.
Oh. Let's go.
Nothing you new to you. No. Anyway, okay. We're going. Let's go.
Hi. How's the winter been?
Welcome to spring, sweetheart.
Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh.
Stay here. Here come goodies. Here comes the lady with the goodies.
Oh. There you go.
There you
There you go.
comes a nice woman with the goodies. So near our house, we have these entries into each of the housing developments,
Subdivisions.
subdivisions, and so this one happens to have the most beautiful cherry blossom tree up there, and then we're standing under. Oh, no, I can't see it from this point, but I don't know what you call this. I think it's a magnolia type.
I think so.
We always call it a toilet paper tree.
Rag
Rag
something.
tree or something,
Yeah.
but let's walk over to it. But every spring it's just beautiful here. But look at that bloom. Isn't that amazing? So you can see how big it is when Tiana's standing there. But what a treat every year. But look at these little bundles. Aren't they sweet? Aren't they sweet little things? Oh my goodness. Here we go.
New
ordered a pizza because we couldn't help ourselves. It's really good pizza. So we're going to have a slice for lunch and then have some for dinner.
He's probably not going to hear you.
Getting better day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Big
This is our first meal on the patio. It's actually, well, we have to have these on. But
It's a little chilly.
we went up into the attic and we got the chairs out, a little table. And it was so nice after looking at the cherry blossoms today and the little sheep and horses. And we had to have our lunch. We ordered a pizza in Parksville, one of our favorite pizza places. And we have dinner too.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to hold because it's a thin crust.
if you try to embrace rather than push away. You will find this place. Getting better day by day.
So we've gotten a lot done today. We've taken you on a car ride to see a whole bunch of baby animals. Spring being sprung now. And now we're back home and we take turns mowing lawn. So Tiana's doing it right now. And then we're going to go and edit this video. It is Saturday afternoon and the video is supposed to go out tomorrow, Sunday. So we were fortunate enough to have a beautiful sunny day today. And except for the breeze, it was really warm. So it's just been an amazing day, and just for weather, it's been a nice promise of what's to come. And yeah, so it's going to make for a nice evening. Have you tired yourself out now? It's hot. I said I would show you our beautiful parrot tulips, and here they are. So last week, they were just starting to come out. Look at those. I love parrot tulips. So when we had a chance to plant a few years ago, I knew we had to have some. But we're going to do a quick video at some point once we collect all of our, oh, the hummingbird's here. Once we collect all of our film, because we didn't take film of this. We took a lot of stills, but this backyard did not exist 6 years ago. The wall, nothing. We did this within the first 4 months we were here, and this beautiful chocolate undertone magnolia, she was almost as tall as I was 6 years ago, and look at her now. She's a big girl. Beautiful. We're kind of sorry we didn't put her in the front yard, because she's going to need to be kept cut, whereas in the front yard she could grow a little bit more, but she's just beautiful. I think they call it a teddy bear as well. And I designed and we built these last year as this was just a extra wood kind of thing to make this a little bit more interesting. This was sort of the side of the yard that didn't have a lot of attention to it, so we had these 4 extra big square cement blocks, and we went and bought some of the other pieces and laid all those down last summer just to add some interest on this side of the house. But it's starting to come about now. I think it'll be pretty again this year. And we had to put those up. That neighbor has now moved, thankfully. We have nice new neighbors, which is lovely. We're so grateful. But last summer I had designed all that, and we built them and put them into the ground, and that gives us privacy. And it's a fun spot to put our little treasures from the beach. So our rocks and things. Plus cats.